everyone, it's Mrs. Hardigan. Welcome to today's lesson. This is our last lesson in genetics. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to be doing some fingerprint analyzation. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to watch a brain pop video on fingerprints. We're going to learn the three main patterns of a fingerprint. We're going to watch a video that I made on how to collect fingerprints from your family members. And then you're going to actually collect data and analyze it and find out if your fingerprints resemble other people in your family's fingerprints. So here's the description of the brain pop video you're going to watch. Here's the brain pop video. Again, it's web embedded, so you need to push the play button down here. Here's a funny comic. It says, "What do you think you're doing?" And he's filing his fingerprints off, and he says, "Changing my new iPhone password." But So, do your fingerprints resemble other people's fingerprints in your family? Today you'll look at you and your family's fingerprints. You'll identify if you have similarities with people in your family. Since no two people's fingerprints are exactly the same, this will take close observation. Put on your detective hat, and let's get started. So, here are the three basic shapes for fingerprint patterns. The first one is called the arch. And you can see the arch has a shape that goes like this, which is the shape of an arch. The second is called the loop. And you can see that the fingerprint makes a pattern like this in the shape of a loop. And then the last one is called the whorl. And the whorl it kind of reminds me of a swirl. It kind of goes around and around and around like that. And you can see that they're all sort of similar, but they definitely have their own shape. So supplies that you're going to need: a pencil, a piece of paper, tape, and the fingerprint analysis sheet that I attached to your classroom slides. So here's a video for me showing you how to collect fingerprints from people in your family. And then at the end of the video, here's the experiment directions. So you're just going to use a pencil to create a square and color it in really good with the pencil. Then you're going to roll your thumb across it. Then you're going to stick tape to your thumb. Then you're going to stick tape to the sheet that you printed out. And then you're going to repeat that for all the people in your house. And then the way I want you to complete it is you have your family's fingerprints, and I gave you a lot more spaces if you have more family members. And then you're going to look and see if they're an arch, a loop, or a whorl. And in this case, my mom's fingerprint was a loop, so I put an X in loop. My dad's fingerprints were a whorl, so I put an X in whorl. And I was also a whorl, so I put an X in whorl for me. So once you've collected this all for your family, you can see who has similar fingerprints to each other. And then for the quiz, I just want you to answer, did you all have the same fingerprints? Were some of them the same, or were they all different? So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson and have fun being detectives and finding out about fingerprints. Also, I hope you guys have a great spring break. Be safe, be healthy. I totally miss you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you after the break. Have a great day.